Running wider tires on your Silverado 1500 or dealing with faded, rusting factory fenders? Fender flares protect your paint from rocks and debris, keep you legal with bigger tire packages, and give your truck a wider, more aggressive stance. All links are organized by generation in the video description. Let's get into it. First up, at number 6, here's the Tyger Auto for the 1999 to 2006 models. Paintable, smooth textured UV-resistant finish, 4-inch front and 4 1/4 inch rear flare height, 2 inches of tire coverage front and rear. Minor drilling required, hardware and instructions included, about 2 hours to install. Mud flaps need to come off first. Reviewers praise the clean fit and the amount of extra hardware included in the kit. Backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. A solid pick for first-gen owners dealing with rusty wheel arches. Landing at number 5, meet the Tyger Auto for the 2007 to 2013 generation. Factory-style sleek design with a fine textured matte black UV-resistant finish that is fully repaintable. 4 3/4 inch front and 5-inch rear flare height, 3/4 inch tire coverage. No drilling required, installs in about an hour. Hardware and instructions all in the box. Backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. A clean, understated option for second-gen owners who want the OE look with added protection and zero drilling headaches. Pushing forward to number 4, check out the RedRock OEM-style flares for the 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500. Precision-molded, automotive-grade polypropylene that integrates seamlessly into the factory body lines for a straight-from-the-showroom appearance. UV-treated matte black finish resists fading and chalking under prolonged sun exposure. Protects paint and lower panels from rocks, gravel, and mud spray. Drilling is required for installation, but no other modifications are needed. A sharp, clean upgrade for the third-generation Silverado. Sitting alongside it at number 3, here's the Tyger Auto for the 2014 to 2018 models. Paintable, smooth textured UV-resistant finish with a tall 6.5 inch flare height front and rear. The most coverage of any option for this generation. 2 inches of front and 1 3/4 inches of rear tire coverage. Minor drilling required, hardware and instructions included, about 2 hours to install. Mud flaps off first. Compatible with aftermarket bumpers. Backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. Climbing to number 2, say hello to the Bushwacker for the 2019 to 2026 generation. Tri-blend, IBS construction, 1 inch of tire coverage extension, 5-inch flare height, UV resistant and impact resistant for job site, trail, and all-weather use. Quick no-drill installation using factory attachment points. Paint-ready matte black surface for a custom color match. Fully removable anytime to restore stock appearance. Does not fit ZR2 models. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. A trusted name delivering clean, protective style for the current generation. And taking the crown at number 1. The Rough Country Defender fender flares for the 2019 to 2026 Silverado 1500. 2 inches of extra tire coverage, 5-inch flare height, smooth UV, protected Corad ABS plastic that resists fading, chalking, and cracking long-term. Made in the USA with corrosion-resistant mounting hardware. No-drill bolt-on install using factory points. Fully removable for a stock look whenever you want it. Optional paint-to-code finish available. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Does not fit ZR2. 2019 classic trucks. The boldest, most complete package on this list. And that is your top 6 fender flares for the Chevy Silverado 1500 from the late 90s to today. Every link is sorted by generation right there in the video description. Go grab the one that fits your truck. If this helped, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More Silverado content is on the way. Catch you in the next one.